Hello everyone! If you're anything like me, then you probably spend a lot of time watching some of your favorite YouTube channels when they have live streams. And if you're hanging out in the live stream chat and you're trying to interact back and forth with the channel, you probably notice that there can be a significant delay between when someone on the video is talking and you're able to chat back and forth with them, and that can get really annoying. But did you know that there are some tricks you can do, well, there's a trick you can do to try to minimize that amount of delay? Okay, so I'm going to use this Joshua Bardwell live stream as my example. And the first thing you need to know is you can right click on the YouTube stream and then go down to where it says stats for nerds. And that will bring up this window with all the stats where it shows that I'm currently getting about a 6-second delay, which is good. But let's say I want less delay. So I'm going to go down to the gear in the corner here, the settings, choose the playback speed of 1.25, and it will actually speed up, and you'll see that my live latency is going down. And when you get to where you are happy with it, click back to normal. And as you can see here, I pushed my luck a little bit too much, and now I ended up with a live latency of 11 seconds. So I'm going to go back to the playback speed, speed it up to 1.5 times the normal speed, and watch my live latency and my buffer health numbers there. Watch them come down until I get to a number where I'm happy with, and then select the playback speed to normal, and that's it. So as you can see, you have to play with this a little bit and get the timing just right, but you can definitely get your live latency down to maybe like 4 or 5 seconds if the live streamer has their end set up to allow you to do that. The live stream people on the other side get a chance to sort of set up whether it's like a 20-second or 10-second or 3-second delay. And in this case, I think it was set in the middle range. But this is also super useful if you decide you have to pause the video for just a little time and you come back to your video that's still going live, but you want to try to catch up to it. So you can listen to it at like 1.5 times speed. That'll sound a little bit funny, but you won't miss anything, and you'll slowly get all the way caught up into the live stream. Caught up to the live time anyway. So that's a fun little trick that I like to use to try to get my latency as low as possible so I can get into the chats and be as interactive as I possibly can with the live streamer. Anyway, I think that's all I've got to say on that, and thanks for watching, and enjoy your next live stream with lower delay. Oh, one more quick thing before I go. If you like that little tagline / logo thing I put at the end of my videos that says change your view, fly FPV, and if you get the double meaning of it, even better. But if you like that and want to have it on a t-shirt, don't forget that you can get one just like the one I'm wearing right now, and you can also support the FPV Freedom Coalition in the process. To do that, just head over to the FPVFC's website and their store, so fpvfc.org/store, and pick one out for yourself.